In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see who viewed your Twitter profile. You can simply know who visited your X account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your X app. Tap on your profile icon on your upper left corner. Tap right here on Settings and Support. Select the option of Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, tap on this first option right here of your account. Then select the third option of Download and Archive of your data. You will have to simply re-enter your password and request a download of your data. When your data is sent, you will have to immediately download it before it expires. You will see information of accounts that have viewed your Twitter profile within the past 30 days. That's how easy it is to see who visited your X account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.